Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these beautiful flower motifs. Also you can use only this flower part. Also you can change it like square. You can use these on your cardigans, on your bags, blankets. I will make a blanket with that motifs. And next tomorrow I will show you how you can add them together and make a gorgeous blanket ending. I love it. I hope you like it. This is so simple motif. This is so colorful and you can use which color you want. You can use only two colors. You can use like me. I use a lot of colors. I will show you a little one here. I hope you like it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful, colorful flower motifs. Let's start crochet. For this easy but so cute motif, I use cotton yarns, not so thick yarns. It's that's 50 grams of yarn is equal to nearly 140 meters. So you can choose which you yarn want to use on your blanket. Okay, I will show you now, and you can see that it's so simple. First of all, make a magic ring here, then make a circle like that. Hold these yarns, grab your yarn and chain 3. Count as your first double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the same space, grab your yarn, pull through to the second one. Yarn over, make the third one, yarn over, make the fourth one, pull it a little, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 double crochet. Then pull that yarn tightly and close that hole. Come to the first stitch stop and grab these two yarns together and lock this hole. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Then hide this tail. That's the first round. Then take your second color. Grab your second color. This is our flowers color. Okay, choose your yarn for that. Make a slip knot. Then insert your hook any of that stitch. Hide this yarn to make here single crochet, then add here 2 chains and count as your first double. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab your yarn, pull through to. You will make every stitch 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one and make here 2. 1, 2. Next one, hide the tails, 2, 1, 2. Next one, 1, 2. I complete the round and turn to you. I have 20 double crochet. Come to the first stitch, stop here and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and insert into the same stitch and make here single crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab my yarn and make double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice this time, insert into the next stitch and make here 3 treble, double treble also. 1, yarn over twice, insert into the same, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the same, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over only once, insert into the next stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, make treble. Yarn over, insert into the same and make double crochet. Then come to next stitch and finish with single crochet this set. Yarn over, insert into the next, make double. Yarn over, insert into the same, 1, 2, 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch and make here 3 treble. Here 2, yarn over twice and make one more. Then do the same thing, yarn over, insert into the next, 1, 2, 2, yarn over and make double crochet, and finish this set with single crochet. One more time I will show you. Yarn over, insert into the next and make double. Yarn over, in the same stitch make pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch and make treble 3. Make 3 triples, sorry. Yarn over twice, insert into the same and make one more triple. Yarn over twice, insert into the same and make one more triple. Then do the same thing, insert here, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the same, make double crochet and finish with single crochet. I complete here and turn to you. I completed, we start with single crochet, so I insert the top of this single crochet and join with a slip stitch and finish our flower. You can use it like that, but we want to turn it to the square form. That's so easy. I will show you. Chain 1 and cut my yarn. Here. Then take the third color. Again, make a slip knot. Then, we made here 3 triple in the same stitch. I found the middle one and insert the top of the middle triple and make here single crochet. Then yarn over, insert the third triple stop, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together and make half double triple, half double crochet, sorry. yarn over, then insert into the next stitch and make here double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, then yarn over, insert the next one and make double treble, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, then yarn over twice and you will come here the single crochet stitch and make here treble, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then I will get here how I came here. Yarn over, insert the next stitch, grab my yarn, 1, 2, 2. Yarn over, insert the next one and make double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the next one. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, make half double crochet, come to second treble and make here single crochet, make half double, next one, make double crochet, next one, yarn over, next one, half treble, yarn over twice, next one, treble. Then go back the same way, half treble, double, half double and single. Turn all around like that. I complete the round and come to first single crochet top here and join with a slip stitch. Now I'm on the single crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 for my triple, 1 for space, I make chain 5, yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch and make 1 more double treble, then yarn over, insert into the next stitch and make here triple, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same and make 1 more, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next stitch and make here double crochet, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, make half double crochet, then make here 3 single crochet in 3 stitch, 2, 3, then do the same thing, next stitch, make half double, yarn over, insert into the next, make double crochet, yarn over, insert into the next and make here 2 treble, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, then yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch and make your corner, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, make your double treble, chain 1, yarn over twice and make 1 more double treble, 2, 3, yarn over, come to next stitch and make here 2 treble, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next one, make double crochet, yarn over, insert into the next one, make half double crochet, next 3 stitch, make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, next stitch half double, next stitch double crochet, next stitch make 2 treble, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, make 1 more, 1, 2, 3, yarn over twice, next stitch make your corner, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over twice. Let's make double treble, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then next stitch 2 treble, next stitch double crochet, next stitch half double crochet, 3 stitch single crochet, then do the same thing, half double, double, 2 treble, and make your corner with double treble. I complete and turn to you. I complete the round. You know we made here 5 chains. You will insert your hook 1, 2, 3 and the 4th one and join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn. That's our square. After that I will make a single crochet in each stitch on the corner. Again I will make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet. Also you can use it like that, unless that frames, like it's as a frame actually. Also you can make with single crochet like this frame. You can use this motif everywhere. Second video I will show you how you can add them together and make a gorgeous border on it. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. On the second video, don't forget that. Have a nice day. Bye bye.